What up, Motorville Posse? Today, putting on Whipple's competition open air inbox. Get a little more supercharger whine out of the car. Hopefully I can hear it in the cabin. We'll see. Here's a little before. See if we can hear it at all. I hear a little whistle coming from it. We'll see if that's I think I've heard that's from the traction control. So let me turn that off. You can hear it a little bit, but we're hoping to get more noise out of that. Obviously with they have a Foster mod that you can do and get a lot of noise inside the cabin. But let's see what just the Whipple open air boxes can do.
That's quiet.
That's before the open boxes.
So what comes in the box? Straight from Whipple.
What do they call the competition? Couple pieces of plastic, $200 a piece.
On that side.
All right, first step, I think, put this gasket on here. All right, got these little gaskets installed on here. They come a little long, so I'm gonna snip it some. Step one. Took some snips, cut off the little extra. Ready to go. Take off these little sensors.
No, Chase is over. We're putting a couple new parts on this car for him, so I'm just kind of doing this one. I will. Well, we can do it a different time if we have to.
Alright, you take off 1, 2, 3 over here, little sensors probably. And then these two bolts, 10mm bolts. Pop this one off. And then the whole old air intake should come off. Pull your bolt out of here. There's another one here. Alright, pulled it off of the...
Tony, I'm bitching. Yeah, don't fucking send no more cars to them places.
And it comes right out.
Ooh!
Pull it off the throttle body.
You gonna run it like that now?
Yeah, open throttle body. That just wiggles out.
Yeah, this one's a tough one to get out. Look at this big piece over here. That one just slide right out. Mine came out right out because I didn't have this fucking piece on there.
You gotta add this back. Put that back in there.
Here, I'll let you handle this one out because mine was a lot easier because I didn't have this piece because the fucking assholes didn't give me it.
Okay. Separate this.
Little manhandle in action.
Now we need this part.
That part, yep, goes right down to the other one. You gotta, they're like little clips. You gotta like push those in, kind of. It's kind of a pain in the dick too.
Sounds like it's still got some hardware on it.
Where?
Oh.
Yeah, you do gotta take those hardware out. The little clips and these. Or actually, no, these ones don't. Just, let me see. I don't think you gotta take, no, you don't gotta take that out. You gotta take
You sure?
this right here.
That's a thread.
This, well, that's for your cap. You don't have a cap no more. So you gotta pop this out, which I use the flathead for.
Alright, you pop these little parts off of the old airbox. And then you need these little clips to take those off. Took off the old ones. This part's OEM off your factory closed box, and put that on the open box. Slide them back in. This hole right here is where you'll be putting this bolt back in, but I'm gonna leave it loose for a second for some wiggle room to slide this back in there.
What do you say,
Air
no grease?
filters back in these boxes. You know, some finagling that's the back in.
Here. You know what I did?
Stuck this in this box on the right side first.
What, this part?
Put that bolt back in so it's not wiggling around. There you go. Fully installed.
Yeah, but you gotta get into it. That's still like a loud one.
No?
No, get that motherfucker. Yes. Yeah, that's the throttle thing. revving it like a girl, dude. You come listen to it. What the fuck? You got one good rev out of that.
Well, there's fucking neighbors and shit.
Fuck them fucking. Hey, you got the bird out here doing like
Yeah, she's screaming.
Wow, now, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Good
You want
install.
to peel this carpet?
See what you got.
Hold on. Let's shut it.
We'll get one of them things, Sheldon.
Sean, get a rev in there. We're gonna peel the carpet off, see if that makes it louder.
Yeah, I think so. Pop the hood. Ah, you already know it's gonna make it louder.